Have you ever wondered about the power of Indian defense technology? It's a fascinating world, one that's often shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Defense technology is an embodiment of a nation's strength, a testament to its determination to protect its sovereignty, and a symbol of its innovative prowess. It's a realm where cutting-edge science meets strategic prowess, where the lines between the possible and impossible blur. Let's dive into this intriguing world, specifically into the context of Indian defense technology. Over the past few decades, India has undergone a remarkable transformation in this domain. From a nation reliant on foreign technologies to a country that is now increasingly self-reliant, India's journey has been both inspiring and impressive. This change didn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of relentless pursuit of knowledge, indomitable spirit, and an unwavering commitment to national security. It's a narrative of countless sleepless nights, relentless efforts, and the undying spirit of the country's scientists, engineers, and defense personnel. Indian defense technology has seen a rapid advancement, with a marked shift towards indigenous development. The country's defense research has not only focused on meeting the needs of its armed forces, but also on creating technologies that are globally competitive. This dual focus has resulted in a portfolio of defense technologies that are both state-of-the-art and uniquely suited to the country's requirements. One such technology that stands as a beacon of India's defense capabilities is the unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. These are not just flying machines, they're intelligent, autonomous systems capable of performing a wide range of missions from surveillance to strike operations, all while keeping human operators out of harm's way. One of the crowning jewels of Indian defense technology is the Abhimanyu UAS, an unmanned aerial vehicle of unmatched prowess. It's a symbol of India's ingenuity, a testament to its scientific capabilities, and a shining example of the country's drive towards self-reliance in defense technology. It's not just a product of technology, it's a reflection of the spirit of India. The journey of Abhimanyu UAS is a tale of innovation, determination, and technological mastery. A story that begins with the need for a homegrown solution to enhance our defense capabilities and surveillance. The Abhimanyu UAS, an unmanned aerial vehicle, is the brainchild of some of the brightest minds in the country, a testament to India's technological prowess. The inception of Abhimanyu UAS was not without its share of challenges. The terrain of the Indian subcontinent is a unique blend of varied landscapes, from the dense forests and sweeping plains to the towering mountains and vast coastal regions. Designing a drone that could navigate such diverse topography was no small feat. However, with unwavering resolve and a commitment to excellence, the team of developers and engineers embarked on this daring journey. The development phase was marked by numerous milestones. The first prototype, a blend of cutting-edge technology and innovative design, was a significant achievement. It demonstrated that India had the capability to build advanced UAVs domestically. The successful test flights that followed added another feather to the cap, validating the functional effectiveness of Abhimanyu UAS. This drone is not just a product but a symbol of the indigenous development of technology in India. It underscores the country's ability to stand on its own feet, to create solutions tailored to its unique needs, and to be self-reliant in the face of adversity. The Abhimanyu UAS is a testament to the country's technological advancements and the relentless spirit of its people. The birth of Abhimanyu UAS is not just about the creation of a state-of-the-art drone. It's a story of how a nation rose to the occasion, how it embraced innovation and technology, and how it proved its mettle on the world stage. It's a story of triumph over challenges, of resilience and determination, and, above all, of the indomitable Indian spirit. The Abhimanyu UAS thus stands as a symbol of India's indomitable spirit and technological competence. This drone is not just a machine, it's a beacon of pride and a testament to India's journey towards self-reliance and technological supremacy. Abhimanyu UAS, with its impressive array of features, is indeed a game-changer in modern warfare. Imagine an unmanned aerial vehicle that is a marvel of design, technology, and precision. That is Abhimanyu UAS for you. Its features are not just impressive, they are a clear testament to the prowess of Indian engineering. Let's start with the heart of the system, the engine. Abhimanyu UAS houses a powerful and efficient engine that ensures extended flight time. This allows for longer surveillance missions without the need for frequent refueling, making it a reliable companion in the field. Now, let's talk about its capabilities. Abhimanyu UAS is capable of performing both day and night operations. Thanks to its advanced imaging and infrared sensors, it can capture high-resolution images and videos, even in low-light conditions. This ensures that no detail, however minute, goes unnoticed. Its navigation system is another feature worth mentioning. It's equipped with GPS and INS, which provide precise and accurate navigation, ensuring that the UAS stays on its designated flight path. This is crucial in maintaining stealth and avoiding detection. The UAS is also equipped with a secure communications system that allows for real-time data transmission. This ensures that the ground control station is always up to date with the latest information, enabling quick decision-making and timely action. One feature that sets Abhimanyu UAS apart is its automatic takeoff and landing capability. This eliminates the need for a skilled pilot, reducing human error and increasing operational efficiency. But that's not all. The UAS is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Whether it's the scorching heat of the desert or the biting cold of the mountains, Abhimanyu UAS can handle it all. Its robust design ensures that it can operate effectively, even in adverse conditions. What's more, this formidable machine is not just a product of advanced technology, but also of sustainable practices. The UAS has been designed to be energy efficient, reducing its carbon footprint and contributing to environmental sustainability. Abhimanyu UAS is a product of meticulous planning, diligent execution, and a vision to create a world-class UAV that is not just effective, but also sustainable. It's a result of the relentless efforts of Indian scientists and engineers who have left no stone unturned in making this dream a reality. From its state-of-the-art design to its cutting-edge technology, the Abhimanyu UAS exemplifies the best of Indian engineering. This remarkable machine is not just a testament to India's technological prowess, but also a shining beacon of its commitment to peace and security. It's not just a tool, but a symbol of India's indomitable spirit and unwavering resolve. From its state-of-the-art design to its cutting-edge technology, the Abhimanyu UAS exemplifies the best of Indian engineering. The Abhimanyu UAS is not just a technological marvel, but a perfect fit for the Indian Armed Forces. Let's delve into why this is the case. With the ongoing technological advancements in warfare, the need for superior surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities has never been more critical. Abhimanyu UAS, with its high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, provides the Indian Armed Forces with an eye in the sky, giving them the power to see the unseen. But it's not just about surveillance. Abhimanyu UAS is also capable of carrying payloads for tactical missions. Its ability to deploy precision-guided munitions makes it a formidable asset in the battlefield, capable of neutralizing threats from a safe distance. This unmanned aerial vehicle can be the game changer, providing the Indian Armed Forces with an edge over their adversaries. The robustness of Abhimanyu UAS is another factor that makes it a suitable candidate for the Indian Armed Forces. Its ability to withstand harsh weather conditions and operate in diverse terrains aligns with the varied geographical challenges that our forces encounter. From the scorching deserts of Rajasthan to the icy heights of Siachen, Abhimanyu UAS can be there, providing critical support. And let's not forget about the strategic advantages. With its long endurance and extensive range, Abhimanyu UAS can stay airborne for extended periods, covering vast stretches of land and sea. This persistent surveillance capability can provide real-time information, enabling swift and effective decision-making. In the arena of warfare, information is power. And Abhimanyu UAS, with its advanced features and capabilities, provides exactly that. A power to our forces, a power to India. But there's another facet to this UAV that we cannot overlook: its indigenous development. Abhimanyu UAS is a shining example of India's technological prowess and innovation. It's a testament to our nation's ability to develop cutting-edge defense technology, reinforcing our path towards self-reliance. Abhimanyu UAS, thus, is more than just a UAV. It is a testament to India's self-reliance and a beacon of its technological advancements. The story of Abhimanyu UAS is not just about a machine, it's about a legacy. It's about a tale of ambition, of innovation, and of relentless determination. This indigenous marvel has left an indelible mark on Indian defense technology, and its impact goes far beyond its metal and silicon. Abhimanyu UAS has paved the way for more indigenous developments, showing us that we have the prowess to stand tall in the global arena of defense technology. It has ignited a spark in the minds of our scientists and engineers, inspiring them to push the boundaries of what's possible. But more than that, Abhimanyu UAS has given us a sense of national pride. It is a testament to our ability to create, to innovate, and to excel. It stands as a beacon lighting the path towards a future of self-reliance and technological supremacy. Abhimanyu UAS is not just a product of Indian defense technology, it is its crown jewel, a symbol of national pride, and a beacon towards a future of self-reliance and technological supremacy.